Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Watch the Game. Subscribe our channel to get new videos daily. With its boundless expanse and captivating beauty, has always held a special place in the hearts of mankind. With its boundless expanse and captivating beauty, has always held a special place in the hearts of mankind. From the awe-inspiring landscapes to the delicate intricacies of a single flower, nature has the power to evoke a sense of wonder and remind us of the inherent harmony that exists in the world. In this essay, we will explore the multifaceted facets of nature, its role in our lives, and its everlasting impact on humanity. The majesty of landscapes. One cannot speak of nature without being captivated by its majestic landscapes. Mountains reaching towards the heavens, valleys adorned with carpets of vibrant flowers, and oceans stretching beyond the horizon, all stand as testaments to the grandeur of nature. Each landscape carries a unique character and tells a story that has unfolded over thousands of years. Whether it's the rugged beauty of the Himalayas or the serene tranquility of a tropical rainforest, these landscapes possess an indescribable allure that resonates with the human soul. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, orchestrates a magnificent symphony through the changing seasons. Every year, we witness the transition from the vibrant hues of spring to the golden embrace of autumn. Each season brings with it a distinct palette of colors, scents, and sounds that create a mesmerizing tapestry. Spring breathes life into barren landscapes, as blossoms burst forth and birds serenade us with their melodious songs. Summer blankets the world in warmth and abundance, while autumn paints a breathtaking display of fiery foliage. Finally, winter wraps the earth in a blanket of snow, transforming the landscape into a crystalline wonderland. The cyclical nature of the seasons serves as a reminder of the constant cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth. Nature is not merely a passive backdrop, it is a living, breathing entity that teems with life. The animal kingdom encompasses a vast array of creatures, each uniquely adapted to its environment. From the graceful flight of birds to the mighty presence of apex predators, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. The intricate interconnections and symbiotic relationships that exist within nature's web of life serve as a testament to the interconnectedness of all living beings. It is within this symphony of life that we can witness the profound beauty of nature's design. These eye-catching colorful plants are a different beauty of nature, which makes the natural environment more beautiful. Beyond its visual splendor, nature possesses a remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate the human spirit. Countless studies have shown the positive impact of spending time in nature on our mental and physical well-being. In the tapestry of existence, nature is the thread that weaves through our lives, connecting us to. Whether it's a leisurely stroll through a forest, a swim in the ocean, or simply sitting beneath a tree, nature has the power to alleviate stress, improve mood, and foster a sense of inner peace. A fountain's water cascades gracefully, its gentle flow creates soothing sounds, evoking tranquility. Droplets dance and splash, refreshing all who behold it. A symbol of beauty and serenity, the fountain's water brings joy and a sense of harmony to its surroundings. The rhythm of nature, unaffected by the chaos of modern life, offers respite and reminds us of our inherent connection to the natural world. As humanity advances technologically and urbanization spreads its reach, the need to preserve and protect nature becomes increasingly imperative. We must recognize our role as stewards of the earth and strive to mitigate the impact of our actions on the delicate ecosystems that sustain life. It is our responsibility to pass on the gift of nature to future generations, allowing them to experience the same wonders that have enraptured us. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this.